The support's there. He's going for the goal himself. It's spilled by HyderabadFCn. It's a nice pass. Dangerous ball in. Here's Chennai and saved again. HyderabadFCn's put off 2 saves, and the second one was point blank to deny the Australian, who could have had a hat-trick in the first half, and that crashes against the crossbar. Well, Paul Macefield's right on the money, and now Chennai's right on the money. Oh my! Still in the danger zone, and now it's a miscue. And then on target is Adivani, and then there's a blaster! That's a delightful ball, a dangerous ball low, flat in. It's missed, but not by Adivani. And that's what they're hoping for. And saved. Yassi looks up. Hyderabad going for a third! Adivani, now he's onside. He's speeding through Halichardan. It's 3-1 at the moment. This could finish it right off, and it should.
Yeah, well, the hero of the match for me, without a shadow of a doubt, is that lad you're staring at this moment in time. Halichardan. He's earned himself a little ice pack. He's probably earned himself a little pat on the back from Manolo Marquez in front of him.
Well, in the pre-match lineups, Phil Brown could barely remember his name, but by the end of the game, he certainly knew who he was, and that's because of his 2-goal performance, and he's our hero of the match.